Welcome to the Kodiak gas-powered pressure washer operational video. Begin by checking the oil level on the engine. Make sure that the oil level is between the hash marks on the dipstick. If you need to add oil, use 10W30 motor oil. When you replace the oil cap, make sure that it is screwed on tightly. Next, you're going to want to check the oil level on the pump. Make sure it is at least halfway on the sight glass. If you need to add oil, use 15W40 weight oil and add through the top, being careful not to overfill. The sight glass is located on the side of the pump. Next, you can add your gasoline, making sure to use unleaded gasoline. No oil mixture is necessary, and again, be careful not to overfill. Your next step is to connect the water supply, making sure to use a minimum of 1/2-inch garden hose, and do not turn on the water yet. Now you will connect the high pressure hose to the outlet of the pump, pulling the sleeve back and inserting the plug, making sure that the sleeve slides back securely. Now connect your high pressure hose to the gun, pulling the sleeve back and inserting the plug, making sure that the sleeve slides back securely. Make sure that the trigger lock on the gun is in the locked position. You will now connect the lance to the gun by inserting the plug and making sure that the lance has been tightened correctly. Now you need to select a nozzle from the options given, depending on the application or job that you are working on. Connect the nozzle onto the lance by pulling the sleeve back, inserting the plug, and making sure the sleeve slides back securely. You are now ready to turn on your water supply.